Listen to part of a lecture given in a geology class. The professor is talking about cave formations.
In underground cave systems, rainfall containing minerals absorbed from carbonate rock and plant debris builds up and creates formations known as speleothems. Over time, a variety of fantastically shaped structures develop. Here is a cross-sectional diagram of a cavern showing some of the typical features. Mineral-laden water dripping through the permeable cave roof builds up vertical, elongated, hollow tubes known as soda straws. Drops of water run down the inside of the tube, leaving mineral residues at the opening. Over time, the soda straws can build up to several feet in length. Eventually, they become plugged, and the water then runs down the outside surface. When this happens, the formation evolves into a familiar icicle-shaped stalactite. Water dripping off the end of the stalactite builds up a vertical formation from the floor directly underneath, known as a stalagmite. Stalagmites typically have rounded ends due to the effect of water splashing down from above, but their shapes vary considerably. Sometimes stalactites and stalagmites grow together to form a column from floor to ceiling. Many other kinds of formations are formed in caves. When water flows down the inclined ceiling of a cave, a mineral solution is deposited in thin trails and builds up a series of ripples and folds, which appears like a layer of cloth. This kind of speleothem is called a drapery. If the water falls down a vertical surface, the resulting formation takes on the appearance of a waterfall and is known as flowstone. An unusual cave formation is known as a helictite. Helictites are narrow, delicate formations a few inches long, which are twisted and tangled like the roots of plants. As yet, the origin of these formations has not been adequately explained, although some geologists argue that variations in pressure and wind within the cave may cause the eccentric patterns. Of course, most speleothems are found in a variety of colors as well as shapes. These variations are due to the impurities, both natural and artificial, that mix with the dripping water as it seeps underground. Cave systems offer the visitor a glimpse of a delicate and fantastic world built up over thousands of years. It's important to treat the underground world with care and respect so that future generations may also enjoy its natural beauty.
What is the lecture mainly about? The professor briefly explains a process. Summarize the process by putting the events in order. How do the following types of speleothems develop? Select the helictite formation in the diagram. What possible explanations does the professor give about the shapes of helictites? According to the professor, what can be said of speleothems? What is the professor's attitude toward cave systems?